Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to the LED light giveaway. Those lights right there. But let's go inside. I'll do this at the computer and let's talk a little bit about it.
Welcome inside. Outside is close to 30 degrees, so let's start in here. Let's set the rules for the future and a little warnings and everything else before I do the random number counter and we choose the winner, or actually see the winner. I will do giveaways. On my channel I will do giveaways, and there are many scams on YouTube and everywhere, protecting you and myself from all of them. All the giveaways or any links, giveaways, links you have won or anything will be in the description down below. There will not be any links in the comment section. Never ever links in the comment section. Do not click them. Do not click any links in the comment section. They will be always in the description. How we will choose a winner? I will go on Google and get a random counter, or the count number, or random number generator, whatever it's called. And we will see at the comments, like right here on the screen, what you see, the Novsight light combo giveaway. We have 25 comments. We will start from the oldest at the bottom and newest at the top. So the oldest will be first and the newest will be the 25th. So we will start from 1 to oldest to 25, which is the newest. That's how it is. That's the rules. That's how we'll set the rules. So you know in the future, in any giveaways, any of them, every single one of them, that's how it will go. Once we have the winner, I will comment down below their comment, like their comment, like with the heart, so they see it. And the winner will need to email me on my email, which is on my channel. My channel in the description has an email. The winner has to email me that they have won, and everything will go personally through email. But that's how things will go from this day onwards. All the giveaways, everything what will happen this way. If there's like a special giveaway where a company is involved or anything else, that's something else. But on my channel, on our channel, private one, that's how things will be. Okay, so let's go straight to it. There you go, we have all the comments. This is sort by newest, so the newest one and the latest is the oldest one, 3 weeks ago. That's fine. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is how we will count upwards to get the winner. So be all clear. Oh, no, I have a weird keyboard. Okay, minimum 1, maximum 25. I'll do simple Google, random number generator. You saw it all. Google from 1 to 25. That's it. Generate. 10. Congratulations, number 10, you won. So which is number 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. John Stockwell 7119. So let me mark him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So congratulations, you are the lucky winner. And I'll do this while I'm recording, so live. That's how it goes. I will like your comment, heart it, and write you. Congratulations, you won the giveaway. Please use the email provided in my channel description to arrange the shipping of the LED lights. I will send it to them and I will wait for the reply in my email. So congratulations, John Stockwell 7119. Thank you to Novsight for giving the opportunity for John to win. Hope you enjoy this little giveaway, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to make more giveaways and give more upgrades for you people out there who like to work on your own cars. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.